Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on Jeep Grand Cherokee, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and facing a flat wall about 25 feet away. Measure and mark the center of each headlight on the wall using masking tape and a ruler. Make sure the vehicle has normal fuel and cargo load. Turn on low beams and note the current beam pattern before making any adjustments. With the low beams on, sit back and observe how each beam moves as you turn the adjusters. Use the vertical screw to raise or lower the cutoff so it matches the tape horizontal line. Use the horizontal screw to nudge the beams slightly to the right of the vehicle centerline for safe oncoming driver visibility. Make small quarter-turn adjustments, then recheck from 25 feet until both beams match the target marks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunches tidy when you are working on long projects. I keep them in the trunk for quick snacks between jobs, and they save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After initial alignment, take the Jeep for a short test drive at night to confirm visibility and lack of glare. Note any remaining misalignment and return to the wall setup to make fine adjustments in small increments. Tighten headlight housing bolts and recheck after driving to ensure nothing shifted. If alignment drifts noticeably, inspect suspension and mounting points for wear or damage. Final checks keep you safe and courteous to other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.